Hey guys, so we released a new version today with some new cool components, and this is the one that we want to demo in this video. Okay, so we have a slider component basically, and it's quite cool because you can play around with its values just like that. So you see that the whole frame that is encoded in this parametric script gets higher. I can also make the whole roof higher, so the slope is increasing. We can just have this nice shape, and also what is possible is to go and add additional sections. So this is what we sort of expose for the script, so the users can just find those sliders and be really fast in configuring everything. Of course, if you want to go and configure your values, you can do that. So for the maximum value in the slider, you can just change it, of course. So let's do it on 25. And let's go to 25, and you see that the whole building just adapted. You can of course do other adaptations, like you can just decrease their slope again. So this is how you would design those large structures really fast. And also you can go quite crazy with this and just say you want your slider to be maybe much longer. And maybe you want to go in the intervals of 5. That's also doable. So then you go, you see 11, 16, 21. So this is 21. If you go back to 6, then there's 6 of these added. So yeah, this is a slider component, and we hope that you will enjoy it. Let's see each other in the next videos. Cheers, guys.